It is by our choices that we can make a huge impact not only on the environment but also humanity. Looking at the events of recent past, it is uncertain whether the world, the country, your religion, or the democracy is in danger. But what is unmistakably certain is that humanity clearly is. I've said this many times before that if there has been anything that can save humanity is humanity itself. So today I request you all to take a step forward and to choose. So you may do what? To end someone's prayer. Or you may do prayers to end someone's war. You may use your money to give guns into the hands of little children to kill each other with. Or you may use it to educate them, create food for them, to build their stomachs with. You may use your faith to make people afraid of your community, to terrify them into submission. Or you may use it to encourage them to enlighten humanity. You may use your wisdom to brainwash people, to manipulate them, to hate each other. Or you may use it to tell them to acknowledge peace and to love each other. You may use your energy to build barriers, to keep people out. Or you may use it to create paths to welcome them. In this spellbinding present, we still hold a chance to contribute towards the betterment of humanity. All we have to do is to make a choice. So choose. Choose love. Choose unity. Choose humanity. Most importantly, choose peace. Let's stand up and make this world together a better place to live. Thank you everyone. I wish you all a great day ahead.